Howdy guys, in today's video we're gonna have a quick view on how to delete bridges, and this will be for the CAM feature. But before all of that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, we're back into the program here. Now this is going to be a short little tutorial. We're pretty much just going to be covering, like with the micro joints, how to remove bridges. Now I'm going to zoom in here with a bridge that we've already created, and then the process is pretty simple. Obviously you need to make sure that you are within the CAM feature, otherwise it won't work. And then at the bottom on our secondary toolbar, you want to go right all the way next to a bridge, and then you can see there delete bridge. You want to click that and then select the bridge that you want to delete. Now you can see it has a little thing on top there. You can do that, or you can just select between the two bridges and it will remove that bridge for you. So now if we cut it, it will cut them out as individual shapes again and no longer bridge the two together. But yeah, so just a quick recap. Once again, you have to make sure you're in CAM and there must be a bridge. And then you want to go on your secondary toolbar, select the little bridge with the X through it, and then after you've selected that, select the bridge itself. But yeah, like I said, pretty simple. If we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also isolate your search on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request a training video, fill in the meaning form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.